Test the water supply connection for leaks immediately after installing the toilet. After reconnecting the supply valve by hand tightening the nut, turn the water on slowly to avoid water hammer and observe the connection closely for any spraying or dripping. If you see even the smallest bead of moisture form, stop, turn the water off, and snug the nut with a wrench a quarter turn at a time until the leak stops, taking care not to over-tighten brass or plastic fittings which can crack. Check both the shutoff valve to supply line junction and the supply line to toilet tank coupling, feeling around each connection and looking for wetness on the metal or pooled water beneath the tank. Flush the toilet several times while someone watches the connections because pressure and movement can reveal leaks that static pressure does not. Use a dry paper towel or tissue wrapped around the connection to detect slow weeps that are hard to see, and replace the supply line or valve if twisting the fitting does not stop the leak. Finally, leave the area under the tank exposed and recheck after 45 minutes and again after 24 hours to catch slow leaks that manifest after pressure equalization. The three most common issues are loose fittings, damaged washers or threads, and cracked plastic components. If fittings are loose, hand tighten, then finish with a wrench in small increments until dripping stops, and then check again later. If you find a worn washer or damaged thread, replace the washer or the supply hose assembly because repairs are rarely reliable and replacement is inexpensive and fast. If a crack in a plastic valve or coupling is the culprit, shut the water off and replace the cracked part before restoring pressure to prevent sudden failure and water damage. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find new work related to plumbing and other home projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips, ask follow-up questions, and share real-world experiences.